the emergency alert system. Will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Want to live a happier, healthier, pain-free life? Healing begins in New Kensington. From back pain.
And as per usual, I was along with
CT3 to 165.
Reach ready for their chain. Okay, that was just creepy.
the fuck was that?
No, I didn't do that. But you know who I. But you know I said my name, so it's SG213.
Yes. So actually, the three of us were supposed to have a collab today, but no, the fucking snow had to ruin it for us. Anyways.
Yes.
Yeah, we were supposed to have a collab today, but the snow had to ruin it for us.
Was that secretly you moaning on camera? I mean, what?
No!
Was I moaning with Savage's dick?
What?
But anyway.
I'm
Anyways.
hot.
What?
Well, you didn't hear what JR just said?
Really?
Yeah,
About. Maybe it was my camera cutting out.
Anyways, yeah, there's really much else to say, so, yeah.
Other than the fact I'm unboxing 2 radios this week.
Yes.
Which are taking their sweet ass time to arrive.
Ha. Yes, it do be like that. Anyways.
Very doopy loopy doopy doo.
What?
Anyway.
Yeah, guys, with that being said, there's nothing else to say, so we're gonna wrap it up here. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.